In this activity, we work with the 8th SDG, which focuses on economic development and decent work.
The world is doing a lot for the development of this SDG in almost every country. The most common way of helping is creating an NGO to help the specific cause. For example, in Argentina, we research on an NGO named Nuestras Huellas. This NGO attempts to bring programs or microfinances to vulnerable communities to help them boost their economies. This fosters decent work and economic growth at the same time.
A specific real case to situation in Argentina where the relevance of the SDG is clearly shown is the economic situation itself. As of August of 2022, $1 was equal to 137.14 Argentinian pesos, and its value in August 2002, 20 years ago, was just 9.25 Argentinian pesos, according to Google Financial in 2022.
Our NGO's name is Agritina, combining the name Argentina and agriculture. And our slogan is Pintando el Campo de Plata. The mission of our NGO will be to modernize the agricultural sector of Argentina. The main goal will be to make the workers' labor easier and to upgrade the exports of the nation.
The programs that our organization would like to implement are the development of new machinery to the agricultural sector to make the work easier and the production bigger. This section is basically the replacement of all agricultural tools with new technological ones. How would it be done? It will be done by working together with tech companies who develop machinery which makes agricultural work easier. We are thinking in machinery as in motorized spading, forks, rakes, scythes, weeding hoes, spades, and other fundamental tools, along with potent vehicles to speed up the transportation of the work itself. These new tools will be implemented to the main agricultural sectors in the entire country to expand their production and boost their incomes.
The relevance and necessity of this organization is the fulfillment of the SDG, is the fact that Argentina's economy is going down radically. This NGO will help to transform the most exported sector of the country to boost the economy.
The key elements for the success of our proposal are different roles in the organization. There will be a president who will regulate the actions proposed, a finance manager who will administer the money spent, a logic manager who will scheme and propose the actions and programs to be completed, and finally a marketing manager. Another key element of the success is the funding, which will come partly from the endorsements which will be obtained from the marketing manager and
donations from anyone, including the government, if they wish to contribute. In the end, we will all be trying to help the same country, and there will be no reason to negatively affect other NGOs working for the same overall goal.
This NGO will lead the economy by focusing on the agricultural sector, which was where Argentina's top export came from. Argentina's top export was soybean meal in 2020, selling $7.89 billion, according to OEC, which is the Observatory of Economic Complexity. We saw their main growth area in this sector as we believe it can be exploited even more.
If the organization is successful, the world and the civil society actively participate to fulfill this SDG, Argentina will boost their economy and have better job conditions, which is their main problem as of today. This means that other sectors like education and health will also increase because they are all linked to the situation of the country's economy.
And remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. The whole thing is a process, but the bright thing is we know where to start. Pintando el Campo de Plata!